Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, red color, pink color, parrot color, and the last one is sky blue color. Now let's color the shark. Let's zoom in on the screen to color the shark. Now let's zoom out. How many sharks can you see here? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. So here are 4 sharks.